Hello students, in this video we are going to see the how to convert the orthographic views into the isometric view. So initially the problem, the front view and top view of an object, it is shown in the figure with the origin position, and the total length of the object, it is shown in the top view. So total length of the object, it is a 100 mm. Total height of the object we can see in the front view, total 50 mm, and total width of the object we can see in the top view, that is a 50 mm. So initially draw the horizontal ground level line, mark the point O, and then draw the 30-degree lines on both the sides from origin, and draw vertical line for height. Then we can finalize the position of length and width. So total length O position, when we pick up this view and place here, so O position will comes at this point and length on this line. So we can mention the length here and remaining width on this line. Okay, so total length of the object from the base, we can start from this point origin to this point, it is given 20 mm. Then mark the point exactly at 20 mm. From this point 20 mm exactly 45 mm. So we can construct that with the actual dimensions from 3 to 6, and midpoint 6 to 9, midpoint at 15 mm. And the total 10 mm and 10 mm depth of cut. So we can take 10 mm, draw the faint lines and 45-degree line. Same construction the other side also, 40 and 45 mm. So this angle, it is 45 degree, this angle it is 45 degree. Then for length, total 100 mm, we can take 20 mm point. And then from this point, first initially draw the horizontal 10 mm faint line, and afterwards from this point take exactly 30 mm, mark the point exactly at 30 mm, then take the distance 15 mm, draw the vertical line. We can take the distance in with compass. So this intersecting point, so initially this intersecting point, from this end take the compass from this midpoint. So 10 mm is the this 10 mm depth. Draw horizontal construction, then take this distance from this point, we can mark on the both the sides. Okay, and then total length of the object, it is 100 mm. From this point, the height of the object, it is exactly at, take 50 mm. So this height 50 mm we can take here. So from this corner we can take the height exactly 50 mm. Then parallel to length, this is 30 mm, from this point parallel to length, draw the 30 mm line. From this point to next point, it is total 30 mm. Then vertical distance, this is a 20 mm, so 50 minus 20 means 30 mm parallel to height. And then again from this corner to total length of the object, draw the vertical line. So in this front view, this is the origin, and same view we can take here. And then from each corner, so total width of the object, it is 50 mm. From this corner we can draw the exactly 50 mm distance. Then exactly parallel this corner, draw this line, and parallel to length, from this corner we can draw exact this line. First draw the front line, then corner, this corner, for total length it is 50 mm. Then from this point, total height of the block, it is 30 mm parallel to height line, it is 30 mm. Take the reference of parallel to width and then draw the horizontal front position lines and prepare the block. So visible part, so at in between from the center line, so first mark the total length, total width. Initially we can mark the at exact 25 mm, and similar way at the top mark at 25 mm. Okay, so from this point, so this is the top view, this point at midpoint. So width of the rib is 10 mm. Take 5 mm for both the sides, exactly 5 mm. So these 2 points we have taken here, 10 mm. From center point take the 5 mm distance for this point. So this is the top point, we can take 5 mm for one side, 5 mm for other side, and then connect the rib, that is inclined lines. These are the, then the rib, it is a creates the corner edge. Can draw the vertical line up to the next crossing point, and then similar way for the length. For other side also make the dark, and from this point the total cavity is present for the object. Then draw the parallel line. So in top view, the half circle, that is a cavity of radius 15 is present, so we can use the circle method and we can complete the cavity. So from this center point, so total radius is 15, so prepare the block of diameter. So total diameter is 13 mm. Take 15 mm 15 mm for one side, 10 is 15, then 10, and this is 15 mm. Similar way, mm, then draw the parallel lines and prepare the square block of exact 30 by 30. And then for this end, shorter diagonality is present here, so connect the opposite ends. By using this center point first and this center point, you can complete the arc. So this is the point and this is the radius. The first arc. Similar way, this is the center point and this is the radius. And then finally you can rub this part, draw the vertical line, the edge it is created at this end, and the end portion you can see the edge. So this is the final answer of the given problem. Do not mention any dimensions in the figure. Thank you. Stay connected for more videos. Here is the middle part that is left. Thank you. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you.